Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2012 Chevy Cruze. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pick up the battery, put it right into place. Let's go ahead and remove this little covers and just toss these to the side. Alright, we're going to start off by putting on this positive terminal. It's going to go right in there. This actually clips onto the battery, so let's press that down. It clips down. Next we're going to go ahead and put in the negative terminal. Let's go ahead and tie up the positive terminal with a size 10mm socket and the negative one as well. This should come with a battery bracket to hold it into place, but this vehicle does not have one. So that's pretty much it. That is how you install a new battery on this 2012 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just make sure this was into place and you're set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.